Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and asked, one, how you could trace it because it's all black, but there is an outline. I mean, there is a figure in there. And then they wanted to stack two of them on top of each other, kind of at different, like put one over here and then cut them both out and then engrave a line between them. So this is an image and it will trace, and I just don't have to convert it to a bitmap, just outline, trace, clip art. And it traces it really good. It's a good, clean image. We're going to nudge that over and we'll just get, well, we're not going to get rid of it in case I need it later. And then I'm going to left click, right click. And I don't know where they want the other one, but if they Control D and make a duplicate, let's put the other one like, let's put it like right there. Now, a couple of things that might be the easiest thing is we need this line. Well, you'll see in just a second. If we take both of them and create a boundary and then move the boundary down, so now we can turn that into red and make sure it's a hairline. That will be our cut line. So to cut both of them out. But we need, and you just kind of got to use your imagination. Let's cut this line away and this line away, and we can just cut all these other lines away. And I think we can cut that line away. So all we need is this line right here to be engraved. So what you could do is zoom in and see if we can't just cut this line, and it worked. Now we can cut away all the other lines. All we need is that one line. Now we're going to go up to your pen tool or go down to your pen tool and make it black. Make it something other than a hairline, which it already is, but we'll make it, it's pretty big. Let's make it 4 points. Let's make it 12 points for the video. Scale with object and then hit OK. Evidently I didn't hit black. Black. 3 points. We actually, and scale with object and hit OK. Now that's a black line that will engrave, and just select it and nudge it down. So that winged dinosaur will be on top of the other one. I could have maybe left that line right there, but not really because it's behind. It's behind this. So one way we can kind of look at it is take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with yellow. And then we can go ahead and change the color of the Smart Fill just to see what it looked like. And then that would be in red, and it looks like the red is behind the yellow one. Now, I don't know if they're engraving this and they're going to use black and gray, or they're printing this. But that's how you could put one object behind the other. If you were just printing it, we could try this and actually engraving it too. Let's start with this image. Let's get rid of this line, because you can always go back minus front. Let's make it black. Let's make a duplicate. Control D and move it down, and we'll make it yellow. And we can put it, go up to object and go to order and put it to the back of the page. Now the black looks like it's on top. Now, so they are engraving because they want to engrave that line. But if you're a printer, this would work right here. And I don't understand that other. Yeah, that's part of the first dragon. So now what you could do, if you were going to cut this out, you could turn, if you were going to engrave this, I wouldn't even worry about the black line between them, because one of them is black and one of them is gray. But then to cut them out, just do the same thing, grab them and make your boundary tool. And then as always, make sure it's something red and in a hairline. I'm working with somebody else's file and they're using CMYK, and make it a hairline, then hit OK. So that will cut out. So the whole thing will cut out, and you'll have two flying dragons Pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.